By pressing Shift F3, check for free edges and T-connections using displayed in the elements before converting into 3D mesh. Then return to the main window by pressing Escape. Select 3D option and click on Tetra Mesh for meshing. Later again click on the elements and select Displayed, and you have to select Create per Volume Components, which is above the anchor nodes. After this click on Mesh to generate the mesh, which will be named as Volume. Press Shift F11 to transfer the elements into the main component. Then click on the elements and select Displayed, then click on the volume to transfer the elements into the main component, then click on Move option to transfer the elements. Click on the components and hide the volume and delete the initial component. After deleting the component, unhide the volume to get the 3D mesh. To know how geometry cleanup and 2D meshing was done, refer Part 1 and 2. The link is provided in the description box.